Hello dear learners, hello dear champs, welcome back to Phoenix EDU. I am your English teacher and I am back with the continuation of our series. And as far as I remember, the last topic we discussed was on the identification of simple, compound and complex sentences, right? And if I'm not mistaken, I'd given you these sentences in order to identify them as simple, compound and complex. And as far as I know, as far as I believe, and as far as I hope, I guess my students have already done it, right? Now with that belief, I am going to go ahead with the discussion of the answers. I've already written the answers so I could save a bit of your time, right? So I have written the answer, however, I'll be helping you out in order to identify why is it some certain set of sentence, right? And look at the first one. She is young but she has white hair, and it says it's a compound sentence. Of course it is, because compound sentences are the sentences that have two finite verbs joined by coordinating conjunction or correlative conjunction or conjunctive adverb. The sentence here has a coordinating conjunction and two finite verbs, right? So that makes it a compound sentence. Likewise here we have one, then are and have joined by coordinating conjunction. Therefore, again, this sentence happens to be a compound sentence, right? If you haven't seen or rather watched the previous video, please go and check it out, because in the previous two videos, we have made it a point that you are able to identify the number of finite verbs and the type of these sentences. If you failed at it, please go and watch and then continue with this video, because if you do not do that, this will not be feeling right to you, right everyone? So let's give it a continuation. He lost everything that was unbearable, that, and this happens to be a subordinating conjunction, and therefore this is a complex sentence. Coming to the fourth one, this is the school is have studied joined by where, which happens to be another subordinating conjunction, and therefore this happens to be a complex sentence. If you are missing out at all, please let me remind you that complex sentences are the sentences with two finite verbs joined by subordinating conjunction, right everyone? Chalo, next one. Fifth, I saw a man who was old and weak. Now saw and who. Now please do not get into this and, because this and is playing as an imposter. यहाँ ये imposter का काम कर रहा है. क्यों ये imposter का काम कर रहा है? Because it is a conjunction indeed. However, it is not joining two verbs. So when we are willing to identify the type of our sentences, we need to identify the conjunctions that are joining our verbs, right? And which verbs, बच्चों? We are talking about finite verbs. Okay? So here this sentence, when we look at this, this happens to be a complex sentence. This happens to be a complex sentence, right? So this happens to be a complex sentence. Please make the minute correction. Now the next set. The person is a renowned writer is just one finite verb, and therefore this is a simple sentence. Easy. Seventh one. A green plant can prepare its food. Can prepare. Again, one finite verb, and therefore this happens to be a simple sentence. Okay, now coming to the eighth one. All because you have this for, you might wish to call it a compound sentence. However, this only has one finite verb. बच्चों इसके अंदर क्योंकि आपको for दिख रहा है, आपकी इच्छा होगी कि हाँ भाई चलो इसको compound बोल देते हैं. नहीं बच्चों, ये compound नहीं है. इसके अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक finite verb है, वो है beat. And therefore this happens to be a simple sentence. हमने बताया था कि पहला हमारा step रहेगा to identify number of finite verbs. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे conjunction क्या है. अगर there are more than one finite verbs, only in such cases we are going to look at the conjunctions, right? Next one. Shimla worked very hard but she did not pass. But, and therefore this is a compound sentence. 10th one. He finished his home assignment and went to play. Went, two finite verbs joined by coordinating conjunction, and therefore this sentence happens to be just another compound sentence. I hope this is clear to everyone. If at all you have any doubts, any queries, you may put it down in the comment section. Right, everyone? There's no hindrances here. You can definitely put it up in the comment section and we'll definitely reach back to you. Right, everyone? So now let's start with today's session. So today we are going to look into the questions dealing with simple, compound and complex, wherein we are going to look into the transformation of it. Right? We are going to look into the transformation of it. And therefore, I am going to call it a practice session. ठीक है? जब मैं ये बात को बोलूँगी कि भाई दिस हैपन्स टू बी अ प्रैक्टिस सेशन, ठीक है बच्चों, तो इट डज नॉट मीन दैट I am going to be the one practicing. We are going to practice, right? So I've taken up 10 sentences and you are going to be transforming 6 of them. I'll be helping you out with 4 or maybe just 3. Yes, 3, and you are going to take care of 7 of the sentences. Likewise, we'll be doing MCQs and I'll be helping out with all the MCQs because I'll be giving away the trick. Stick to it. I am going to give away the trick. And all those tricks are going to be helping you out very well in your examination because I know how it feels when you have your tricks handy. Right, everyone? So let's get started. Look at the sentence. So we have 2 sentences here, 2 simple sentences which we need to combine as one simple sentence, right? So we have to combine these 2 sentences into one simple sentence. Okay? He was sleeping. I did not disturb him. Him being asleep, I didn't disturb. ठीक है, अब यहाँ क्या बात हो गई कि भाई वो सो रहा था, मैंने उसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. क्या किया बच्चों हमने? हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2 फाइनाइट वर्ब्स दिए हुए थे. इन दोनों फाइनाइट वर्ब्स में से हमें किसी एक को फर्स्ट में एक सिंगल वर्ब में टर्न करना था. And therefore, we have our simple sentence here. He was sleeping, I did not disturb him. Him being asleep, सो रहा था, so we did not disturb him. Done? क्या किया है? We have just combined them. Let's say you had to combine it and form a compound sentence. ठीक है? CD is for compound. So, he was sleeping, so I did not disturb. So I did not disturb him. Right? तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे ये sentence दिया हुआ है. We have combined it to form one sentence, and that is one simple sentence here. Him being asleep, I did not disturb. Next, CD, that is compound sentence. He was sleeping, so I did not disturb. Now, if at all, you have to form a complex sentence out of it. How will you do that? You will be taking up what? You will be taking up, as he was sleeping, I did not disturb him, or I did not disturb him as he was sleeping. Easy. Now, coming to the second one. Though we were not sure of finishing it, we volunteered to help him. Now, identify the type of this sentence. So, we have 2 finite verbs, right, joined by a subordinating conjunction. Therefore, this sentence happens to be a complex sentence, right? Now, we need to turn this into a compound sentence. Okay? Okay. Let's say we are going to see, even if the instruction says that we have to turn it into compound, let's look at the ways through which we could be converting it into simple as well. But जो simple sentences में अगर हमें turn करना है तो हमें ये याद रखना है कि हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे जो 2 हमारे पास finite verbs हैं उनमें से किसी एक को नॉन फाइनाइट बना देना है. अब नॉन फाइनाइट बनाने के लिए हमें उन्हें पार्टिसिपल में टर्न कर लेना है, यानी या तो उनको 2+V1 फॉर्म में ले आओ, ठीक है, या तो आप उनको 2+V1 फॉर्म में लेके आ जाएंगे, या फिर आप उसको ING फॉर्म बना देंगे यानी V4 फॉर्म बना देंगे, या फिर आप उसको V3 फॉर्म बना देंगे. these are the only options that are available to us. Also we could be using a few phrases जैसे despite, in spite, right? तो ये चीज़ें आपके पास अवेलेबल है ऑप्शन में, ठीक है, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, हम पहले इसको कंपाउंड में शिफ्ट करते हैं, ठीक है. Let's turn it into the compound sentence. Compound में क्या हो जाएगा? Though we were not sure of finishing it, we volunteered. So it's very easy, right? Though, so therefore we will be using but. We were not sure of finishing it. So but we volunteered to help them. ठीक है, do we have two finite verbs here? Please have a look at it. Were, not sure. This is a non-finite verb. Volunteered. Yes, we do have two finite verbs joined by coordinating conjunction but. And therefore, this is a compound sentence indeed. Now, let's have a look at the simple sentence. Okay. Now, we have two finite verbs. ठीक है, इसमें से एक को turn करना है. First action, what is the first action that we are talking about? This part, ठीक है, I was unsure about something. So, being unsure of finishing it. बच्चों एक और बात हमें ध्यान रखनी है कि जो हमारे पास हम पार्ट मतलब जो फाइनाइट वर्ब को हम एज इट इज़ रखने वाले हैं उसका टेंस सेम रहना चाहिए, ठीक है. बीइंग अनश्योर ऑफ फिनिशिंग इट, वी okay, despite being, because we have although, therefore despite being unsure of finishing it, we volunteered to help them. So this is how we do it, right? So I will be giving away a table, right? I'll be giving away a table. I'll be putting up a screenshot of it, using which you could easily be taking care of your conversions, right? You could easily be transforming your sentences. I'll give away the table, right? I'll be attaching it in the description box along with the PDF, right? So I've inserted it towards the end. You'll get an access to it towards the end of it. That table would definitely help you out in order to make the transformations. However, you cannot, you should not, you must not alone rely on that table alone, right? Why am I saying so? Because that table, एक मैं आपको table अभी description box में जो link आपके पास आएगी PDF की, वो PDF link में आपको वो table attached मिलेगा. बट आप वो टेबल पे हर वक्त रिलाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. आखिर क्यों आप हमेशा उस पर नहीं रिलाई कर सकते? बिकॉज सिंपल कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स का भी रूल वही है, टेंस सेम होना चाहिए, दूसरा मीनिंग सेम होना चाहिए, स्ट्रक्चरली इट शुड बी एक्टिव, स्ट्रक्चरली भी वो करेक्ट होना चाहिए, ठीक है. तो आप वो टेबल पे हर वक्त नहीं रिलाई करेंगे, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वो टेबल आपके लिए एप्लीकेबल होगा और उस टेबल के हिसाब से आप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं लुकिंग एट योर सेंटेंसेस, ठीक है. टेबल इज़ वेरी इजी, इट विल बी accessible to all of you in the description box itself. So let's continue with the third question for the day. Morgan was a nurse and so her job was to take care of her patients. ठीक है. Now we have to turn this into a simple sentence. चलो अभी simple sentence में she was a nurse. So now being a nurse, this we have again, see, we have turned this into the V4 form, which we call it participle form, right? Present participle. Being a nurse, Morgan's job was to take care of her patients. बच्चों देखो फिर से वही बात, मैंने आपको क्या कहा कि आपको किसी एक पार्ट को, ठीक है, किसी एक फाइनाइट वर्ब को नॉन फाइनाइट में शिफ्ट कर देना है. बीइंग अ नर्स, ओके. नाउ मॉर्गन्स जॉब वॉज टू टेक केयर ऑफ हर पेशेंट्स. देखिए वॉज टू टेक केयर, आपका वो टेंस सेम टू सेम है. डन. ये आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. चलो, आई हैड told you that I'll be taking care of just 3 questions. However, I think the 4th one would also help you equally. Chalo. I looked for Danny everywhere, but I could not find him. Okay, now but we have to change it into a complex sentence. बच्चों ये complex में करना है, but हम इसको simple में भी करके देखेंगे. Complex, although I looked for Danny everywhere. Acha, because we have placed our subordinating conjunction first, we are going to insert a comma. I could not find him. ठीक है, so this happens to be our complex sentence. Now you could interchange this, you could be replacing this although with though or even though, right? But then you'll have to shift or rather change the structure. ठीक है. Now coming to our simple sentence. Okay. Despite looking for Danny everywhere, now what are we doing? The first action. First action, we are turning it into participle. So despite looking for Danny everywhere, I could not find him. ठीक है. So here are the answers to your 4 questions. First 4 practice questions. Have a look. First, second, third and 4th. Done. So now let me give you the next 6 questions which you have to practice. Take the screenshot. Done. All right, so next set of questions. Look at this. Take the screenshot. You'll have to put your answers in the comment section. Quick. Your homework. Done. Next. Take the screenshot. Put your answers in the comment section. Okay. Now that you have to put up your answers in the comment section, I should be giving away the table now. So we have it here. Done. So when we have but, what are we using? So verb in spite of plus verb plus ing. ठीक है. So V4 form. V4 or slash being. Done. Being plus V3. Done. Take the screenshot, look at it carefully and then attempt the previous questions. चलो. So now let's have a look at your MCQs. So बच्चों MCQ में जब हम डील करेंगे हमें ध्यान रखना है your tense must not change, right? Your tense must not change. Also, you have to be careful about another thing, and that is that either of your finite verbs, they must remain same in their tenses, right? तो जब हम compound या complex में से simple पे आएंगे, क्योंकि we have to club all our finite verbs into one finite verb. तो जो भी है, जो भी एक वो हम finite verb बचा रहे हैं, उसका tense same होना चाहिए. ठीक है, let's have a look at this question. Transform the following sentence into a compound sentence. She was tired. she went to bed early. ठीक है, so we know कि why did she go to bed early? Because she was tired. So now because she was tired, so she went to bed early. देख लो, अभी इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, अपने ऑप्शंस में भी देख लेंगे कि अपने पास ऑप्शंस जो दिए हुए हैं उसमें हमारे पास कंपाउंड के ऑप्शन क्या है. was tired, went, so, ठीक है, कंपाउंड है. नेक्स्ट, she was tired but went, okay, was, went, but, okay, again compound है. was, went, because, oh, this is a complex sentence, of course we are cancelling it, right? Next, she went to bed, being tired. Now tired is V3 with our ing form, so again this happens to be a simple sentence, so cancelled. Now we have to look for the sentence that has the same meaning and the tense. She was tired but went to bed. थकी थी फिर भी बेड पे चली गई, नहीं ना. Even this is cancelled, so this happens to be our answer. Any doubts? No, as far as I know. Next, complex sentence into a simple sentence. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. पहले दिए हुए ऑप्शंस में जितने भी ऑप्शन हमारे पास दिए हुए हैं उनके अंदर हमें ये देखना है कि हमारे फाइनाइट वर्ब वन वाले ऑप्शंस कौन से, क्योंकि वही हमें सिंपल सेंटेंस देंगे. वेंट, वॉज रेनिंग, बिकॉज. ओके, सो दिस इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, कैंसल. इट वॉज रेनिंग एंड वी वेंट फॉर अ वॉक. कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. Okay, looks like our answer. Because this happens to be a simple sentence. We went for a walk even though it was raining. Again, even though was. So we have to turn it into a simple sentence because of even though this happens to be a complex sentence. Went to finite verb. Therefore, option C. Done? Chalo. Next, following sentence into a complex sentence. He completed the project. He was praised by his boss. Okay. Why was he praised? Because he completed the project, right? Let's see. Completed, was praised, and compound sentence. Not a complex sentence. He was praised by his boss. He completed, joined by, because, a complex sentence. वैसे तो मैंने आंसर बता दिया है, but still let's look at the elimination method कि भाई जो नहीं है complex उसे eliminate करेंगे. He completed the project, so he was praised. Now completed, was praised, so again a compound sentence. Next, completed, was not praised. एक तो ये हो जा रहा है कंपाउंड प्लस मीनिंग भी चेंज हो जा रहे हैं, ये ऑप्शंस हमारे कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. आंसर आया बी. डन बच्चों. नाउ 15th, transform sentence into a compound sentence. The sun was shining, the birds were singing. कंपाउंड करना है. The sun was shining, were singing, and हमारे पास tense भी same है, sentence है compound. Okay, the sun was shining, so the birds were singing. Again a compound sentence. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, because a complex sentence, and therefore cancel. The birds were singing despite the sun shining. A simple sentence. We have to turn it into a compound. Now in between these two sentences, ये दो sentences के बीच में हमें ये पता करना है कि ये दो sentences के बीच में हमारा कौन सा sentence appropriate है हमारे आंसर के लिए. The sun was shining, the birds were singing. अच्छा, because the sun was shining, इसलिए हमारी bird sing कर रही थी? No, right? So answer will be A. तो बच्चों हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम सबसे पहले देख रहे हैं स्ट्रक्चर, ठीक है, फिर हम देख रहे हैं टेंस, और फिर हम देख रहे हैं मीनिंग. ठीक, इतने के बाद में हमारा काम हो जाएगा. देखो यहाँ पे टेंस सेम था, स्ट्रक्चरल वे में हमने ये दोनों को एलिमिनेट किया, फिर मीनिंग के बेसिस पे इसको एलिमिनेट किया, और फिर आ गया हमारा आंसर ए. नाउ next one, change this sentence into a simple sentence. She was happy because she got the job. ठीक है. Okay, now let's have a look at it. She got the job and was happy. 1. She was happy to get the job. She got the job, so she was. अच्छा, पहले तो इसको देख लो. Got, was happy, cancel, because this is a compound sentence. She was happy to get a job. A simple sentence indeed. To get is non-finite verb. C. Got, was happy, So a compound sentence. Again cancel because हमें simple ढूंढना है. Despite getting the job she was happy. ये तो फिर ये देखो ये रहा, ठीक. टेंस भी सेम है. ओके बच्चों, अब यहाँ पे देखो मीनिंग बदल जा रहा है. वो जॉब पाने के बाद भी खुश थी. ये क्या बात हुई? तो मीनिंग चेंज्ड एंड देयरफॉर आंसर इज बी. इजी. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे. Following sentence into a complex sentence. He didn't attend the meeting. He didn't attend the meeting. He was ill. He was ill, so he didn't. Was, didn't attend, so. Sentence is a compound sentence. Coordinating conjunction. Didn't attend, was ill because. A complex sentence. Okay. Was ill despite not attending. Just one finite verb. A simple sentence. Cancel, cancelled. Although he was ill, he attended. Was ill, attended. Although, a complex sentence. But so next, let's have a look at the tenses. देखें ज़रा. Was ill, he attended the meeting. Tense, change. Meaning, change. Although क्या हो जाता है? तबीयत खराब होने के बाद भी attended the meeting. यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है? He didn't attend the meeting because he was ill, and therefore the answer is B. Right, everyone? I hope all of this is very clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you may put it up in the comment section, or you may just come down to me in person. We are going to move ahead to the next topic in the next session. All the best, everyone. Believe in yourself.